incenter of a triangle. A student, first of all, what is the incenter? Incenter is defined as, if suppose this is the triangle A, B and C, the point of intersection of the angle bisectors of angle of a triangle is known as incenter. Angle bisectors, this, if we suppose these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, then this point is I, this is the angle bisector. If the coordinate of A is x1, y1, z1, B is x2, y2, z2 and C is x3, y3, z3, and the length of the sides opposite to the point A, this length is A, small a. Opposite to the point B, the length of the side, that is AC, is B, small b, and similarly this length is a small c. Then the coordinate of incenter I. Incenter I is, the coordinate is AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 divided by A plus B plus C. Similarly, for the y coordinate, it will be AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 divided by A plus B plus C. And similarly, for the z coordinate, we will write here AZ1 plus BZ2 plus CZ3 divided by A plus B plus C. This is the coordinate of incenter. Student, this incenter is also referred as the center of the circle which is inscribed in the triangle. That means the circle which is touching all the three sides. So, the incenter, you have the two definition, but in both the definitions you will get the same formula, same coordinate of the incenter which is written here. Thank you.